Doing a weekly review. So this week I shared 2 trade setups on the free Discord, which were one which was a sell on AUD USD, which was a break-even trade, which I updated the entry. I updated on giving the entry, and I updated that when it was risk-free. Later that night, I think we had Australian news come out, which reversed the trade. So luckily, a risk-free trade, so no win, no loss. And they've also had a CAD JPY sell-off, which I shared early in the week. I think the entry was on Monday or Tuesday, and I gave the entry out, also covered it in the video, and been updating on it ever since. I've been updating on when to take partials, which I said not to, as I believed it was going to break the level, which it has. So let me go ahead and show you CAD JPY. So this was the entry up here. If you go back to the free Discord, right, you scroll up, you'll see I've been updating on this all week, even when it was in profit, and you'll see that I gave the entry earlier in the week. Right now, it's floating around 140, so just under 150 pips. And I said today, I was like, this is our first target at 9,600. If we can break this level, we're looking at 89.8. So that's about a 200 pip move, possibly further downside, which gives you around a 1 to 7.74. Right now, you're up, or you should be up around 5.7, roughly 5.7, 5.5, or even 6%, depending on your entry and your stop loss. Percent gain. So I mean, if for those of you who are trying to do an FTMO, this will most likely pass or almost pass your FTMO. You need 10%. This will get you 7.75, give or take, again depending on your entry. So again, I shared this trade, the setup, the analysis in the video at the beginning of the week, what to look for. I also shared the entry in the Discord. So if you aren't in the Discord, make sure you go and join the Discord. It's completely free. I just update on setups in there. And then just to share some trades we've taken on the mentorship program this week. So right now we have 2 trades running on USD CAD. We have the first buy from yesterday running around 110 pips in profit, which is around 7.25% right now. We have a second buy from today running around 3% in profit for around 60 pips. So that's 60 pips plus, what is this? 115. So that's 175 pips on that pair. We also took a break-even trade earlier in the week, which we took a buy, which went break-even, but we got back in. We also have trades running on GBP/JPY for around 180 pips in profit, so around 6%. We took a buy, which went break-even. We took another buy, a hedge, which was a loss, but that was because it was trapped, so we hedged our bets against the market as we had a risk-free sell going. So either way, we were going to win. And as the sell lost, as the buy position lost, we made that money back on the sell position. So it's just a guaranteed way to make money. Our first target is down here, which is at 152.5 region, which is around a 325 pip move for around a 1 to 11. But I actually see this coming significantly lower. Those in the mentorship program know and understand why. So that's going to be a massive move. That's going to be around a 600 pip move. But again, all the entries were shared. I give the entries, I give the targets. And all you guys have to do as the mentorship students is place your stop loss, which, I mean, there's 50 videos, give or take, in the mentorship program that show you where to put your stop loss, why to put your stop loss there, and plus I cover it in all the videos. So again, while it is a signal, my goal is to teach you how to trade through the live market. A lot of courses out there just make videos, and you don't know how they would have made those videos. Did they back test it before, or are they watching on another screen while they make it? So you don't know how accurate and how skilled those traders are. Everything I do is live, okay? Everything I do is live. You see the wins, you see the losses, you see the break-evens, but at the end of the day, you see how fucking profitable we are every week. So right now, we're up around, so let me go through the other pairs. Euro USD, we took a buy here, very clean price action, almost went risk-free, just a few pips shy, ultimately ending in a loss of minus 1%. We took a sell in here, which went break even, and then that was all we've taken on there. EN, we actually took another sell here at the beginning of the week, which was a loss, but ended up faking out and moving down. So unfortunate, but it is what it is. Very clean price action. So we have 2 losses there, and then obviously we have the 2 winning trades on this. So this is around, what, 7.73%. So that's around 3%. So that's 10 to 11%. That's around 11% gain, give or take, right there. Plus, we're up around, I think, 7% here. So that's around 6.5. So that's 11. So that's 17.5%. Plus the CAD JPY, which is running around 5%. So we'll round it to 6. So that's 17. That's around 20% plus. Let me just add that up because I want to make sure I get that right for you guys. So we have 5.71. Well, first of all, let's add the two losses. Minus 2 plus 5.71 plus, there's the other two trades, plus GJ we have plus 6.34. That's 10%. Plus we have 7.73 plus 3.05. Now, obviously, these trades have a lot more room to go. I wouldn't close these here. I'm just talking about current live profit is around 17%, give or take some, all right, depending on your stop loss and entry. With these expecting further upside. So, I mean, you know, we're easily going to push in at 25+% by next week, especially with USD CAD having more downside, CAD JPY having more downside, and and GJ having more downside. So, yeah, really, really good week. So, you know, 17%, that's including two losses. This is why, again, I always preach risk management, guys. Now, I know many of you who follow me or are students know that, you know, I'm a big promoter, well, not promoter, I'm a big supporter of FTMO. I have no affiliation with them. I do trade through them. But guys, like, just to put it in perspective, if you had like a 100K account, so with FTMO, again, they don't sponsor me, nothing. I just think it's a great opportunity, and I know many of you who follow me trade through them or are trying to get funded. Guys, if you have a 100K account, so with them, you can have up to a 400K account, over two 200K accounts. So 400K capital. With them, let's say, and then before you can do the scaling plan, but let's say you have a 100K account. If you did 17% this week, that'd be $17,000. Now, I'm not a fan of preaching big numbers, but guys, like, it's facts are facts. If you did 17%, which is risking 1% per trade, which is nothing, and you have a 100K account, that is $17,000. This is why when I always post on Instagram, I'm always talking about risk 0.5 to 1%. Don't focus on risking a lot, focus on risking a little and being consistent with your risk. So always doing 1% and growing your capital. Get like a 25K account, then grow it to 50, or get a 50K account, then get a 100K account through FTMO, right? Because again, if you have a 100K account and you did 17%, that's 17K, all right? Obviously, guys, the money is a good thing. The money is amazing, all right? But it's just that, like, the skill set is what's most important, which is what I teach in the mentorship program, right? So for example, this week, you know, in the mentorship program, you know, we're up around 500 pips, give or take, for the week, with a total of, we just hit 175 pips on USD CAD between the two pairs, and we're up around 20% for the week. Obviously, you know, it's going to fluctuate. That's over some other trades we took from last week running. So, guys, like, you know, everything is shared, okay? I tell you guys when to enter, when not to enter. But even, you know, disregard the mentorship program and the advanced course. Like, just, guys, the free Discord, I post here 2 to 3 times a week videos. So I do weekly outlook, usually on Sunday or Monday. And then on Wednesday, I'll do like a midweek update. And I'll share setups. And it's just up to you guys to follow through that. With the mentorship program, I do 2 videos a day, plus all the live trades that I share. Whereas in the free Discord, I really only give maybe 1 or 2 trades a week. And that's, you know, if I'm really watching them. Because within the mentorship program, I trade solely 5 pairs. And then the other pairs I don't really trade. For example, CAD JPY or AD USD, just ones that I sort of look at and might trade here and there. Those are the ones I'll sort of monitor for you guys in the free Discord. I've received so many messages. You guys have been sending me all your profits from the free Discord. I'm so grateful. Very, very thankful, and for all the messages, and, you know, seeing some of you guys even pass your FTMO, your challenge phase for FTMO. So very, very amazing, guys. Just really, really happy with that. I'm honestly grateful. I'm very tired. This was a very big week for me. I put in a lot of work this week, a lot of chart time to make sure I could deliver for you guys. I'm coming in this year dialed in more than ever. So very, very grateful. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll be back next Sunday or Monday with a weekly outlook for the free Discord, which I'll put on YouTube here. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here. Message me on Instagram or on Discord, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great week, guys. Great work, and I'll see you next week for another big week in the market.